Navodaya Application 2027. Dear parents and students, here are the new rules that are released by the Navodaya Vidyalaya. If you don't follow these rules, you won't be able to apply the application. So watch this video till end without fail. So this is Vikas Navodaya Sainik classes. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Press on the bell button and select all. Share this video in your WhatsApp and Facebook. So we have brought a unique feature, that is WhatsApp group. So this group link is provided in the comment box of our that is the video. So join this WhatsApp group. In this WhatsApp group we will be providing the information and notifications which are released by the these competitive examinations. So let us see in the new rules. The first rule: boys and girls studying in the class 5th and class 8 standards during 2026-27 academic year are eligible to apply for this application. The second rule would be here: students must have passed 5th standard without any demotions or repeating a grade. The third rule would be here: students must have completed 3rd, 4th and 5th standards in the same district where they are studying class, that is the 5th. Now, the student's father Aadhaar card and student's Aadhaar card must be registered in the same district where the student has studied 5th standard, and father's property documents, that is the domicile certificate or Niveshan Patra, must also be from that same district. To be eligible for rural reservation, the student must have studied class 3rd, 4th and 5th in a school located in the rural area. Means the school has to be registered in such a way that the document which you gonna provide should be stating that it is located in the rural area. Only then will the rural reservation will be granted. The next will be, that is, we have brought a unique online classes, that is Jai Jawan batch from Vikas Navodaya Sainik classes for class 4th and 5th. The online classes, that too the live classes, will be conducted in the evening 7:30 pm to 8:30 pm for Sainik, Navodaya and RMS. Weekly test will be there. This online classes will be held in our own app Vikas Navodaya Sainik classes, which is available in the Play Store, 5-star rated app. To join our online classes, contact our mobile number 888 48 11 496. So let us proceed ahead with the sixth rule. The student's father must possess domicile documents or residency certificate in the same district where the student is currently studying. Means where the student is studying class 5th, in that district only the parents' documents of the domicile certificate should be submitted to the Navodaya Vidyalaya. After selection, the student must have studied 3rd, 4th and 5th standard in a school recognized by the government. Means the recognized schools should be there to apply for this application. Means in that school the student has to be studied. Students are strictly prohibited from appearing for the Navodaya entrance exam second time, or any repeat attempts is a violation of the rules. Meaning a student is only eligible to write the examination once in his life in the class 5th, and there is a second opportunity in class 8th also, but for the class 5th only once a student is eligible to apply for this application. So dear parents and students, as I had told you, we have brought Jai Jawan batch from Vikas Navodaya Sainik classes for class 4th and 5th, where we provide online classes purely in English medium. Timings will be 7:30 pm to 8:30 pm for Sainik, Navodaya and RMS. Also contact our mobile number. The app is available in the Play Store. Our mobile number is 888 48 11 496 for the online classes. As I had mentioned, the app is Vikas Navodaya Sainik classes, which is available in the Play Store. So what is the eligibility criteria and date of birth for this application? The student must be between 10 to 12 years of age while studying the class 5th standard. The date of birth required for this application or eligibility criteria, we could say that is from 1st May 2015 to 31st April 2017. So if a student is born on 1st as well as 31st, means if a child is born on the 1st as well as 31st, then he or she is eligible to apply for this application. The above mentioned age limit is mandatory for SC, ST and OBC categories. Means the eligibility criteria is included for all the castes. Upon selection in the Navodaya entrance examination, meaning if students get selected for the Navodaya Vidyalaya, a birth certificate must be provided. A medical examination will also be conducted at the district government hospital. If any discrepancy is found in the date of birth, at that time the admission will be cancelled. Meaning, if a student has provided a fake, that is the date of birth certificate, where the eligibility criteria is not, it is indicating that a student is not in between these the provided date of birth, then they will be going to conduct a medical, that is the checkup, where they will be going to check the date of birth of the candidate, and if it is found false, then the prohibition of the selection of that candidate will be proceeded by the Navodaya Vidyalaya. To qualify for SC, ST and OBC reservation, your specific caste must be listed in the central government gazette. Only then will you receive the reservation benefits for your category. And then there is a special attention that you have to provide regarding the OBC reservation. If you have to get the OBC reservation, then do check the OBC caste that is of yours is found in the central gazette of the OBC. Meaning your caste sometimes can be in the state, it can be as OBC, but in the central government it is not. So that's why be careful and check the OBC, that is the caste of yours, as well as with the that of the central gazette of this. So it is a very essential for the parents to be noted. So here is the official, that is the application forms, that is online application forms screenshot, which we will be providing and then showing you the, that is the what are the new rules that has been brought, and they are mandatory information. The cadet has already passed a studied class 5th prior to this section, means this is the last year application. Obviously in this year it will be 2026-2027, means only the cadets who are studying class 5th are eligible to apply, means the class 4th student must be passed here. The candidate has appeared in JNVST earlier. If you select no here, then you will be not able to apply for this application, means only once a student is eligible to apply for this application. So the next one will be whether your district of residence and class 5th study is same or not, means the class 5th where the student is studying, in that same district the residency certificate of the student has to be submitted. So if it is not, then the application won't be applied. So also the last, that is the new rule, would be whether the candidate has been promoted from class 4th and admitted to class 5th before 31st July 2025, meaning he has admitted to class 5th or not, that is eligibility criteria. So the last, that is the 12th, that is the rule would be, that is 80 students are selected from each district based on the population and average number of the taluks present in that, means from each taluk the average number of students will be selected. So dear parents, as we have mentioned, we have brought the online classes purely in English medium class for class 4th and 5th, online classes 7:30 to 8:30 p.m. for Navodaya Sainik and RMS examination. Weekly test also will be conducted on every Mondays. Live classes will be held in our own app, that is Vikas Navodaya Sainik classes. This app is available in the Play Store. For the online classes, contact our mobile number 884811 Whole syllabus, question paper, model paper, everything will be covered in our online classes. So do subscribe our channel and then share this video in your WhatsApp and Facebook. Thank you for watching this video.